Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by preparing both devices so pairing succeeds. First, charge the Skullcandy headset to at least 20% so power won't drop mid-pair. Next, open Bluetooth on your phone and keep the settings screen visible. That makes device discovery immediate. Once done, with the headphones powered off, press and hold the power button until the LED flashes or voice says pairing. This puts them in pairing mode and makes them discoverable to your device. You now choose the Skullcandy entry on your device. Scan the list and tap the Skullcandy model name that matches your headset. This initiates the connection. If prompted, accept the pairing request or confirm a passkey. Most models use a simple OK. After you tap, the headphones will exchange information with the phone. Wait for a confirmation tone from the headset or the device showing connected. That audio cue and on-screen status confirm the link is established. Finalize by testing playback and mic so you know everything routes correctly. Play music and make a quick call, then on your phone ensure media and call audio are set to the headset. If it fails, restart both devices, forget or remove old Skullcandy entries in Bluetooth and try again. This clears conflicts. When problems persist, perform the headset factory reset. Follow your model's button combo to clear pairing memory. Then repeat pairing to restore a clean connection.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.